Okay. So everyone, firstly, if you can switch on your cameras, that will be great. Other than that, please mute so I can hear everybody. Now, if you have a question during this, please wait. Either when I ask you for a question, then ask, or at the end of it, I will ask you all for your questions. Okay, and that time you ask your questions. Okay, so Gurjeet, please could you mute? And thank you for joining us. It's great to see you. Wherever you in the morning, we missed you. Hello, Durgeshwari.
I'm not having mobile data, that's why I'm not joining the fight.
No problem. Okay, so this process I know is a little confusing. It is a little long, so don't worry. We are walking through it. Okay, we're going through the entire process right now. Okay. Okay, no problem of that. As long as you can hear me, that's very important. Is you can, I will be sharing the screen, and if you can see that and you can hear me, that's most important. Okay. So as I was saying, if you have any questions, you ask me at the end, or if I say it in the middle because someone might miss what I'm saying. Okay. If you all do not understand anything, please put it in the chat box and then Swara Didi will tell me. Okay. If there's something that confused you or you did not understand, then you can put the chat box. Okay. It will be difficult to see. I won't be able to see on Zoom and everybody on the, like everyone's video. So say type in the chat so Swara can tell you. Yes? If you have got me till here, thumbs up. Great, great, great. Okay. So firstly, nobody yet, yes, chat box is best box. Great, Aditya. Okay, so don't get worried about this. It's a very simple procedure. Okay, we'll walk you through it. Okay, I am starting now. Give me 1 second. I'm just sharing my screen so you can see what I see, and then it'll be easier for you. Okay, great. Can everyone see what I have shared on the screen?
Yes.
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 Great, great. Okay, so this is our FYJC online admission form. So now the most important information about this is that the form that we are currently going to be working on is in parts because the results have not come. अभी तक results नहीं आए हैं तो parts में है ये, तो हम parts में करते जाएंगे. जैसे जैसे मैंने हमारे वीडियो में भी बोला था कि जैसे जैसे more information comes, yes Samiksha, it's a demo form, but this is also a registration form for you. So even though it is a demo form, which is a practice form, it does not mean you do not fill it to get your login ID and your password. Login ID और password से ही आप आगे ये online procedure कर पाओगे. इसीलिए ये demo form भी भरना है आपको पूरी तरह. ठीक है? Yes? Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Perfect. Great.
Yes.
So I start with the first part and then you see as we go. Step 1. This is the link. Someone said in the chat before this, I think Sanya was telling me how it shows an error. Okay, so I will send you this link on the group. Use this link to access the website. If you use just till here, okay, this is the link. This is the link. Can you see what I'm marking? Can you see what I'm marking? Yes? No? In white?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. The link. Okay. Now, if you usually, it's only till here, and that is why you see an error. But this is also important. I will send you the link on the group. Don't worry. Just listen for now. Everything I will send on the group again. Don't worry. Okay. So this is that link that you need to use. Next, the next part of this is that if you have access, because this website is usually made for a computer or a laptop, okay? It is not usually made to be done on the phone. So if you have access to any sort of computer, cyber cafe, take all the precautions, wear a mask, wear your gloves, and then try using it. If you have anybody you know who has it, try using it. So Aditya, with the mobile, some parts of the form may not happen properly. So I will try to teach you how to make it work. So on some mobiles, it might work. On some mobiles, it may not work. So if you have access even for 10 minutes to a computer with internet, try using it, okay? Great. So if this form doesn't, if this link is not working, okay, this is another link you can use. Okay, this link in white. Again, this is in white. Can you see?
Yeah.
White mein link hai? Yes. So you can use this link to go directly to the form. So you won't see the rest of the website. You'll go directly to the form that we are talking about. Yes, Samiksha, you have this link. Great. So I will teach you, when you click on the first link, which is this link, it will open something like this. Now, if you're doing it on your phone, before you do anything, can you see desktop site in your Chrome settings?
Yeah.
What I'm pointing at, can you see this?
Yes.
This where the arrow is, right? So that will help you look at the form, how it would look on a desktop. But it will not make your phone behave like it's a desktop. But this way, at least you can look at the full form. If you do it only on the mobile, sometimes only half the form will come. Okay? So in your settings, as soon as you click on the link, first change it to desktop side. This is how you change it. You know the settings on top? That's how you will change it. Okay, so next. Now, this is what the website looks like. Can everybody see what the website will look like once you've done the desktop side? See, I've also taken screenshots from my phone to show you so that you can use your phone as reference. Okay, it will look similar on a computer, only it will look bigger, right? So now where this red arrow is, it says mock
Demo student registration.
Yes, perfect. So that is what you have to click on. Now, just because it says mock and demo student registration, I'm repeating, it does not mean that you do not fill this up. You should fill this up. That is how you will get your login details, your login and password. Okay? Up till now, everybody has understood what I have said, how you get till here?
Yes.
Yes? Yes? Any questions? Any questions till here?
No.
Swara, is there anything in the chat until now? No. Okay, great. So I'm going to the next. Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you for all your feedback. It helps. Okay, now step 4. Once you click on this green thing, this mock demo student registration, this thing, this will open. Okay. Now, right on top, it says this is a mock form, all of that. Correct. So this you may have to fill again. I'll explain what it means. Now, this is what the form looks like. It's a very short form. It isn't a very lamba form. It is a short form. Okay. But now, from now onwards, we will go through each and every question and how you have to answer it. Okay. So this is what the form will look like. First thing on it is applicant's school area. Applicant meaning you who is applying for college. जो कॉलेज के लिए अप्लाई कर रहा है उसे एप्लीकेंट कहते हैं. एंड एप्लीकेंट स्कूल एरिया, दिस इज नॉट योर एड्रेस और नॉट योर एरिया वेयर यू लिव. Okay, if anybody has not put their phone on mute, please put it on mute. Okay, great. So applicant school area. Now from everybody that we know at Pehchan, you will be within, there are 3 options within MMR. MMR stands for Mumbai Metropolitan Region. Yes. Samiksha, I'm saying it one by one, so listen as I say. Okay? It says within MMR area, outside MMR area, and outside Maharashtra. Now, all your schools, सबके स्कूल मुंबई मेट्रोपॉलिटन रीजन के अंदर आते हैं. कफ परेड से लेके विरार तक जो जगह है, भिवंडी, विरार और कफ परेड के बीच में, वो सब MMR कहलाता है. ओके, दैट इज ऑल मुंबई मेट्रोपॉलिटन रीजन. आप सबके स्कूल इसमें है. So you have to click on this one, this option within MMR area.
Hello,
And
Kisha Didi. Sorry
yes,
for talking in the middle, but we have to click on within MMR
yes,
area, na?
yes, within MMR. Here. Can you see this circle? You will click on this.
Thank you.
Okay, great. Now, this I'm repeating myself. This is for your school. This is not your personal area. Not where you live. This is where your school is located. आपका स्कूल जहाँ है उसके एरिया के बारे में. Great. I'm going to go to the next thing. Everybody understood what applicant school area means?
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Great. Thank you. Sanchit, if you have a friend of yours who wants to listen, no problem. They can listen. This is for everybody. Okay? So he or she doesn't have to be outside the same record. No problem. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Great. Next, I'm going to the next applicant status. Can you please mute, Sanchit? Can you mute your phone? Thank you. Great. Okay. So, applicant status. Applicant status means what is your current status? Is this the first time you're applying? The first time you have given your 10th standard board exam? पहली बार दिया है ना सबने 10th standard board exam? कोई repeat नहीं कर रहा है, कोई दे नहीं चुका है, तो आप सब फ्रेशर कहलाते हो. फ्रेशर दिख रहा है ये फ्रेशर?
Yes.
फ्रेशर, यस. सो आप लोग सब फ्रेशर कहलाते हो. अगर किसी का कोई और है सिचुएशन है तो मुझे बाद में मैसेज करना, मैं आपको समझा दूंगी. बट आपको ये फ्रेशर का सिलेक्ट करना है, ये सर्कल को सिलेक्ट करना है. ठीक है, अभी मैं नेक्स्ट करती हूँ. थैंक यू. अभी 10th स्टैंडर्ड एग्जामिनेशन बोर्ड. 10th स्टैंडर्ड एग्जामिनेशन बोर्ड मतलब कि आपने किस बोर्ड में 10th स्टैंडर्ड का एग्जाम दिया है. Under which board did you study the 10th standard and give the exam? So that for everybody should be SSC, right? SSC. Yes, SSC. Maharashtra State Secondary Board Certificate. Okay, that is what you guys will be. It will be SSC. Do not get confused with all the other things that are on the form. You know your thing is SSC. You know you are a fresher. Don't get confused. Okay. And if you ever get confused while you're filling your form, you need to call up your Didi or Bhaiya. You can call me up and you can ask me what you should fill. But don't get confused. If you're confused about anything, don't put in the details unless you are sure of it. Okay? Next. This is now personal information that is related to your exam. Right? So everybody will have your hall ticket from your SSC exam, your board exam ka hall ticket sabke paas hoga, right?
Yes.
Yes, great. So you have to put your seat number over here. Can you see seat number?
Yes.
Yes. So you'll have to fill your seat number. Exactly how your seat number is. Exam में भरते थे ना, exam में जब आपको seat number भरना होता था.
Yes.
Exactly like that. Don't change anything. Don't put a space. Don't do any such thing. Exactly how it is typed, same thing you will put over here. Your seat number. Now your passing year will be 2020. You gave your exam this time. You're in this year. Your result will also come in 2020. Your passing year is
2020.
2020. Great. Now, in passing month, now this is, again I said, this is a practice form. All this part of the practice form is not perfect. So it can give you March, July or October. Okay, March, July, October. But you have to put in the time, you have to put in the month when your results have come or will come. It will be July. Your results will come in July, correct? So you will put July. Now, for example, if in the form July is not mentioned, what if it says March and October? Then what will you do? Then you will fill March. Yes, because March is when you gave your examination. Okay. If July is an option, the option will be, what will it be? Someone said it.
July.
If July, great. But if March is also
Didi.
an option and July is not an option, then March will be. Okay.
Didi, I have something to say.
Yes. Yes.
Didi, I have filled this form once,
Yeah.
and when I was putting seat number, there was something showing like get applicant information. I clicked on that, and everything else just filled on the
Yes.
form.
Yes. 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 So what happens with SSC is because you are already a part of the state and they already have your information. Sometimes they will fill it up on its own, but sometimes it may not happen. So do not panic. Then you fill it up yourself. Okay. If when you type in your seat number and all this information doesn't come, you will fill it up yourself. Okay. Don't get confused or scared that mine didn't come automatically. Now what do I do? You fill it up yourself. Even if it comes automatically, you will still check it. You will still check if passing year is 2020. You will still check your passing month if it is correct or not. Just because it fills it up automatically does not mean you forget about it. Okay, and you do not check it. Okay, now the name of the applicant, exactly how it is written on your hall ticket. If there is a particular format, it must be written in. Your name, your surname, your mother's name, your father's name, however it is written. Whichever, if your name is first, then your name will come first. If your surname is first, then your surname will come first. So make sure you follow that format properly and correctly. Okay, do not change it. They have
Hello?
specifically mentioned.
हेलो
Yes.
किशा जी,
Yes.
मतलब जो हॉल टिकट है उसका ही देख देख के हमें नाम वगैरह लिखना है।
ये
हाँ,
जो पूरा पार्ट है, ये
हेलो?
जो इतना लिखा है ना, इतना
हाँ,
एग्जाम,
लेकिन मेरे नाम में ना मतलब रॉन्ग है, तो मैंने करेक्शन के लिए दिया था स्कूल में, तो टीचर ने बोला अप्लाई कर चुके, तो रिजल्ट में आने वाला है करेक्ट होके करके।
ठीक है,
तो
मगर अगर वो चेंज नहीं हुआ है, जो पुराना है वो ही लिखोगे, ठीक है?
हाँ,
आप
तो
खुद
फिर
से चेंज नहीं करना।
फिर मैं बाद में बदल नहीं सकता हूँ मेरा नाम करेक्ट?
नहीं, बाद में बदल सकोगे, बट अभी के लिए, क्योंकि अगर आप चेंज करोगे तो आपका नाम सिस्टम में नहीं दिखाएंगे, तो अभी खुद
अच्छा।
चेंज मत करना, जो हॉल टिकट पे है वैसे सेम लिखना है, ठीक है?
हाँ।
No making changes on your own. Ayush had raised his hand, I think, at some point. Ayush, do you still have a question? Okay, no. Someone. Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, so this is exam related information. You will see your hall ticket and you will fill exactly hall ticket में जो लिखा है same चीज आपको डालना. Okay. Next. Now this is very important. Your contact details in this form is the most important thing, because right now there is no school that is on, there is no college that is working, right? Because we are in lockdown. So how will these people from the board and from this process, how will they contact you? Only through these details that you put over here, right? These details that you put, that is how they will contact you. Okay. आपको वो कैसे फोन करेंगे, कैसे आपसे बात करेंगे, ऐसे ही बात करेंगे, ठीक है? तो अभी आप जो मोबाइल नंबर है वो कंपलसरी है फॉर्म के मुताबिक, बट मैं आपको कह रही हूँ कि दोनों भरना है. अगर ईमेल आईडी नहीं है तो आपको ईमेल आईडी बनाना है. आपके दीदी भैया को आप पूछ सकते हो कि कैसे बनाना है, वो आपके हेल्प कर देंगे, वो आपको सिखाएंगे कैसे भरना है. क्यों, मैं आपको समझाती हूँ क्यों. मोबाइल नंबर ऐसे देना है जिसमें वो आपके पास हमेशा हो, वो फोन, वो आप उसको चेक करते रहे, उसमें नेटवर्क आना चाहिए, उसका सिम कार्ड बंद नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि एक बार रजिस्टर हो गया. 1 second पूनम, I'll get your question. If your phone goes off, आपका फोन बंद हो जाए, आपका सिम कार्ड बंद करवा दे, तो फिर वो उस पे ही भेजेंगे आपका इंफॉर्मेशन, फिर आपको कैसे मिलेगा? तो ऐसा मोबाइल नंबर रखिए जो बंद नहीं होगा, जो आप ऐसे एंड नहीं करोगे, जिसमें नेटवर्क मिलते रहता है। अगर उस पे व्हाट्सएप हो तो इवन बेटर, बट नहीं हो एसएमएस आप भेज आपको एसएमएस भेजना है, आपको एसएमएस उस पे मिलना चाहिए, आप उससे फोन कर सकते हो और आपको उस पे फोन आने चाहिए। ये 4 चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है? फोन चलना चाहिए और एसएमएस, ठीक है? यस यस
Yes. Yes.
Now, why did I say email ID is also important? Okay, why did I say email ID is important? Because mobile phone, email ID from Google, yes, from Gmail is one of the ways you can have an email ID. Okay, now why is email ID important? Because even if your phone card is not there, you lose your phone, you lose the SIM card, पापा का फोन था, पापा लेके गए काम पे, anything like that happens, your email ID you can log in from any phone. Okay, you can log in from any phone that has internet, check your email, and then you can log out. That is why your email ID is equally important. So what happens if you fill both? कि यहाँ इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं आया तो यहाँ आएगा, यहाँ इंफॉर्मेशन आया तो यहाँ नहीं आया, तो फिर एटलीस्ट एक पे तो आएगा, करेक्ट? इसलिए दोनों करके रखना है। अगर नहीं है तो दीदी भैया से बात करके पूछना है कि कैसे करना है। अंश, डू यू हैव अ क्वेश्चन? यू हैव रेज्ड योर हैंड। अंश, आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है? नो? पूनम आपने नो? ओके, पूनम, you had a question? Okay, no problem. If you've already filled it, it's okay. Later, if you get a chance to fill in other parts of the form, if you get a chance to fill the email ID, you fill it, okay? No problem, no problem. If anybody has already filled the form, do not get worried and do not stress about anything I'm saying here. We will find a way, okay? Don't worry. But if you haven't filled the form, try to follow all these steps. Right? Everybody has understood up till here, till contact details. Sabko samajh mein aaya? Yes?
Yes, Didi.
Yes? Great. Okay, I'm going to the next thing. Okay, all clear. Great, great. Now, this is the important part. Remember I said this is mock, but this is also how you will register online. पहले मैंने आपको बताया था कि Kashi shall tell you. The thing is, this can be a mock form, but you are also trying to register online. Right? Now, they had originally said 15th July. Then they said 26th July. Correct? But they also put this form up. Everybody has to fill this mock form. Everybody. Every single person. Do not think it is practice or हो जाएगा. उसमें practice क्या करना? मेरे को answers आते हैं, मैं भर दूंगी, ये मेरे को आता था, मैं कर दूंगा. Do not think like that. Remember, if they have put it up, there is a reason. So everybody should register on this. Now I'll explain to you what this part is. You are creating an ID. आपको पता है जैसे Facebook पे ID बनाते हैं. It's similar. It is very similar. You know how you put your details and make that ID happen, make that account happen. It's like that. You're creating an online account on this website so that you can participate in online admissions. ठीक है? ताकि आप अपना ऑनलाइन एडमिशन कर सको, तो इसीलिए हम ये पूरा अकाउंट बना रहे हैं. ओके, ठीक है. Now there is something called security question. Can you see security question and
Yes.
security answer? Security question is that, you know, sometimes you forget your password. You forget your password. So this is the second step. Just in case you forget your password, you can use your security question and the answers so that they know it is you. Okay, now here are some examples that they had given in this form for security questions. Can you see? What is the name of your grandfather? What is your favorite game? What is your favorite movie? These things only you will know. Nobody else will know. That is why how your password only you will know. That way only you will be able to answer these things. That is why they give you this. Now, what are you supposed to do in this step 10 that we're talking about? What is your favorite game? What is your grandfather's name? Who is your best friend? Then you write your answer. Over here, you'll put in your answer. Okay? Everybody's saying which one is their favorite.
PUBG.
Okay, later. This is not, we're doing something important. Afterwards, we'll discuss everybody's favorite game, I promise. But
No.
first,
In chat box, someone is written PUBG, my favorite game.
Later. Not now. After this, we will discuss. Okay? I promise.
Yeah.
First is this security question. You will select one question. Okay? Now another thing. Can you see this triangle over here, this drop down box?
Yeah.
So sometimes you'll have to click on it and open it, and then you'll get options below. So sometimes it won't let you type the answer directly, but if you click on this and it will give you options and you select one option. Okay? It will look like this. When you click on it, it will look like this. Can you see? Options come 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Yes. So you choose one question. In one notebook that you will keep with you all the time, you will write down what this question is and you will write down the answer you are typing. Okay. Now, for example, I am going to write who is your best friend, and I want to write Swara. Now, I will write spelling only. I write
Lemon joined kar do.
Sorry, can you please mute whoever is not on mute? Please mute. Great. So if I write Swara as the answer, you have to remember the spelling you write and if you use capitals or not. So do not use any capitals. If I write Swara, I will just write Swara as S-W-A-R-A. Nothing else. I won't write S-W-A-A-R-A. I won't do any such thing. One spelling. So just the answer is not important. The spelling of your answer is very important. जो भी आंसर है उसका स्पेलिंग भी आपको याद रखना है. इसलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ ये जो सेक्शन है, ये जो स्टेप 10 है ना, सिक्योरिटी क्वेश्चन और पासवर्ड के डिटेल्स, उसका सब लिखना है. राइट इट डाउन सो दैट यू रिमेम्बर इट. आपको अभी yes, you can do anything. You can write last name, you can write first name, but whatever answer you write, you will write it down correct spelling. Do not use capitals or anything. Otherwise, later you will have a problem while trying to re-access your account. Okay, please, I'm repeating myself again, write it down. Remembering is important, but you will write it down because then anywhere you can see it, right? So you will write it down with the correct spelling, Now the same thing goes with your password. Your password can be anything. They've told you that it has to be 8 to 15 characters long. Yes. That means you have to have at least 8 to 15. Yes, you should not write in capital. You should have it in, you can have numbers, you can have letters, anything. Alphabet is okay, number is okay. Again, do not put capital and this and that and then forget about it, because that one capital will confuse. Now imagine I write Keisha with a capital K and then I forget that capital K and then I can't access my own account. Correct? So whatever you write, you make sure. If you're writing in capitals, you write down in capital. If you're writing in small letters, you write down in small letters. Okay? Now that's why they have asked you to confirm your password. Can you see over here? You have to confirm your password. So first you fill it. Then you put the exact same thing here. You can't copy paste it. You'll have to type it again. So you can check it. This entire thing, can you see this step 10? All of this, all these 4 things, you have to write down.
Hello?
Okay. Please mute. Please mute.
Hello?
Subhojit, please mute. Thank you. Okay. you will note this down. You will note it down and remember it. Is there any doubt about this? Any doubt till here? Yes.
हेलो
Yes. Yes.
दीदी वो
Yes.
पासवर्ड में भी वही लिखना है ना जो सिलेक्ट में था?
नहीं, पासवर्ड आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. आपका खुद का नाम लिख सकते हो, आपका बर्थ डेट लिख सकते हो, आपके स्कूल का नाम लिख सकते हो, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. आपको जो पसंद है वो लिख सकते हो.
और कंफर्म पासवर्ड में वो जो सिक्योरिटी क्वेश्चन आंसर है उसका ही ना?
नहीं, आई विल रिपीट. ये
हाँ.
एंड ये अलग पार्ट है. ये यहाँ तक एक पार्ट है, ठीक है?
हाँ.
पेन से मार्क. दिस इज वन पार्ट.
हम्म.
दिस इज द सेकेंड पार्ट. ओके.
हाँ.
यहाँ और यहाँ जो लिखा है उसके यहाँ कॉपी नहीं करना है. ये अलग हो सकता है, ठीक है?
हाँ.
But
ये पासवर्ड तो समझा, लेकिन कंफर्म पासवर्ड क्या है?
सेम चीज वापस लिखना है, क्योंकि अगर
हाँ, अच्छा,
आपने
ठीक.
गलती से टाइप करने में स्पेस छोड़ दिया है या 7 के बदले 8 टाइप कर दिया है, आपको लगा कि आपने 7 टाइप किया बट एक्चुअली फोन पे 8 दब गया, तो इसलिए ऐसे चेक होगा, ठीक है? अगर मैच नहीं हुआ तो आपको वापस करना पड़ेगा और आपको वापस देखना पड़ेगा.
हाँ.
Yes. So you know that you have written the exact same password. Okay? कोई अलग पासवर्ड नहीं हो सकता. यहाँ तक समझ में आया आपको?
Yes.
Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Swara, anything in the chat? Any questions in the chat?
Ashish had a question that if she hasn't filled it yet, then when is the right time to fill it?
When is the right time to fill it? Okay, that's the next. I'm getting to that. Great. Okay, till here you all have understood. So this is the form. Now the next step is, one second, let me remove this line. Okay, what does this say? First you will check if all the details are correct. Then you will recheck it. Okay, if you're doing it on a laptop, I suggest taking a photo with your phone. If you're doing it on your phone and you are able to do it on your mobile, then take a screenshot so you know what details you have filled and you have record of it. ठीक है? आपको फोटो लेना है. अगर लैपटॉप पे कर रहे हो, अगर फोन पे आप कर सकते हो तो उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है. ओके, वैसे करना है. तो आपके पास रिकॉर्ड हो कि मैंने ये भरा था, क्योंकि वापस आपको शायद ये डिटेल्स की जरूरत पड़े. ओके, so you will check all your details, then you will recheck all your details. Make sure you have written all the correct spellings, all the correct numbers, all the correct details. आपका स्कूल का नाम और जो भी अलग अलग इंफॉर्मेशन वो लोग अपने आप डालेंगे, उसको देखते रहना है कि just because वो ऑटोमेटिकली हुआ है उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो सही है. ठीक है, आपको चेक करना है खुद के लिए. Then you will click on register. Then you will click on this register. Okay? Register होने के बाद आपको शायद एक स्क्रीन दिखेगा, उसका स्क्रीनशॉट भी लेना है. ठीक है? That is how you will get some information and then it will show that you have registered. So you have proof. आपके पास proof है कि मैंने register किया था. ठीक है? तो अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम आए भी आपके पास सारा प्रूफ हो. Okay? So then you will click on register. Now this is how you will get your username and password. You will check your phone and you will check your email. The number that you've given, you will check the text and you will check the email. Okay. This is the form. This is how the form looks. This is the form you will fill. Now I said this was a mock form, but you remember the last part that we just did? This part, this your password and security details. 1 second. Whoever is not on mute, please mute unless you have a question.
I love it. I'm making you an offer.
Okay, no problem, Shriya. Okay, if you have typed something and your form is filled, it's okay. As of now, it's okay. Because the most important part of this mock form is this. Now, 1 second. Here, these are important dates. Okay, can you see important dates on the screen? Yes, can you see? Yes, no? Yes.
Yes.
For the mock form, the form that we just looked at, the last date is 24th July. Today is the 22nd of July. You have 2 more days to fill it. Today and tomorrow. Do not wait till 24th July to fill it. Even if it says 24th July, do not wait till 24th July. Either finish it today or finish it tomorrow. Okay? So 24th July is for this. Now on the 26th, they have said that the next part will begin. Now, because they haven't told us what the next part is, the next part can be this, but in proper form. You know how this they are calling mock form? Yes, I will send the link on the group. How they are calling this a mock form? You may have to fill the same form again. Same form properly. So whoever has filled some other details in this, like instead of July, they've written March, something like that has happened. You can change it in that and write the proper thing. But that will be the proper form. Okay? Now, yes, someone had a question.
Yes, Didi, if 26th July is the permanent one which we get from the government, or it's also a mock one, demo one?
Which one, on the 26th?
Yes.
On 26th July, they are saying that the proper form will come out. Okay, the proper form will come out. But as of now, earlier they had given 15. So now for sure, I cannot tell you that 26th is when they will start. But this is what they have currently announced. Okay, so this is what we will keep in our minds. Now that you have access to the website, you have to constantly check. I'll just go back to that one thing. Hang on. Sorry. Can you see on this website, there's lots of different things that are there. There is students registered, there is colleges registered, then there is Gazette information, this information, that information. So they will put up. Can you see this part? Can you see this? Information. Can you see this, guys? Pink and blue color. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes. They will keep updating it. So now that you have access, अभी आप ये email ये जो website को आप देख सकते हो, आपको access है, आप इस पे check करते रहिए, क्योंकि वो नए information डालते रहेंगे, तो आपको ये check करते रहना है. देखिए, ये दिख रहा है? यहाँ क्या लिखा है? ये ऊपर का part देखिए. It says student registration starts from 26 July. Can you see this here?
Yes.
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 They will, and it says announcement. So they will keep putting up information over here. So this is where you need to keep seeing. You have downloaded some manual given for registration form. Now they had put 2 manuals up. Do not confuse yourself, because the student registration manual was removed from the website. I guess there are some changes. So don't follow the old one. When the new one comes, you follow that. There is one for colleges, because colleges also have to register. No, how will they see your application process? अगर वो register नहीं करेंगे तो आपका form कैसे देखेंगे? तो उनका form और उनका part अलग है. ठीक है, आपको student registration पे ही ध्यान रखना है. College registration means for colleges. Okay? So if you get confused or you feel it's about you, ask us and we will confirm it for you. I keep saying ask on the group so that we can clarify it for everyone. Okay? Now, that's why I said this is 24th. आपको भर के रखना है fully by the 24th. Means आज या कल में आपको fill करना है. इतना लंबा नहीं है, हमने पूरा भी किया है, तो आपको पता है कि क्या क्या है इसमें. Okay? So those were the important dates also that I've given you, and that's about it for this form. फिर हम जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे, हम आगे आपको और information देते जाएंगे. अगर आपको ये session useful लगा, जो हमने अभी ये किया, जो पूरा form आपके साथ देखा है, अगर आपको useful लगा, हम जो दूसरा part है ना, उसके लिए भी same करेंगे. ठीक है? अगर आपको वापस ऐसा सेशन करना है अगले पार्ट के लिए, तो थैंक यू सानिया, हम उसके लिए भी करेंगे. ओके? We will do it again for you in detail, just like this, so that you have no confusion. So अगर 26th को form में कुछ अलग आए तो हम वापस करेंगे. Now Durgeshwari I think had a question. 26 को yes, अगर नया फॉर्म आया है आपको वापस करना है 26 को. मैं आपको ग्रुप पे बता दूंगी, बट आपको भी देखना है. टुडे एंड टुमारो में आपको ये जो ऑलरेडी है वो भरना है, और 26 को जब नया आएगा तभी वो करना है. Any questions, guys? Any questions?
Didi, you
Yes.
send the link, please.
Yes, I will send you the link. I will send you all these photographs I showed you right now, like this, step 1, step 2, step 3. I will send you all those photographs also.
Yeah.
So you have
Hello.
access. I will send you
Hello, Didi.
both the links. Yes,
One more question.
yes.
How to make a new email ID?
How to make a new email ID. Who is your Didi or Bhaias? This is Suhoji.
Arushi Didi.
Arushi Didi. Okay, so you will ask Arushi that, Arushi Didi, how do I make a new email ID? Okay, and she will help you make it.
Yeah, because my elder sister email ID is there in mobile.
No, you will make one for yourself. Okay?
Yeah.
You will make one for yourself. Your phone number, if you don't have your own phone number, you can give mama, papa's, but make sure you have it all the time and you can check it. But
Yeah.
email ID, please make personal email IDs. Don't use anybody else's. It will be difficult for you to access. On one phone, you can put email ID. Please mute, please mute.
Didi,
Yes, 1 second. Let me just finish. Sanchit, 1 second. So, on one phone, you can put multiple email IDs. Okay. So it's okay. You know, on some phones you can't put 2-3 numbers, no, but you can put multiple email IDs. Okay. So you ask your Didi and Bhaiya; they will all be able to help you. Everybody. No, Abrar, it is not compulsory to ask. It is not. In case you have any doubts, you can ask. Yes, Sanchit. What was your question?
excuse me, Didi.
Yes, Sanchit. Tell me.
Didi, the form which will come on 26th, can we fill that form on our phones?
I don't think so. I'll tell you why. Because Satyam Bhaiya and I were trying to fill it on our phones right now. This form only. Ye jo abhi ka form hai, we try to fill it on our phones. And you know the drop down box that says select an option?
Yes.
Even in the desktop view that I told you in the beginning, desktop side, it doesn't open. Okay, it doesn't let you type, and that box also doesn't open. Okay, so it may not be possible to fill it on the phone.
Okay, thank you.
Some phones it may be possible. Some phones it is not possible. Okay, so में अलग-अलग होता है, but mostly phone पे नहीं होता है. तो आप चेक करना. But अगर आप लैपटॉप या कंप्यूटर या ऐसे कुछ चीज से करोगे तो आपका फॉर्म इजीली भर पाएगा. आपको इतना टेंशन नहीं होगा क्योंकि कुछ फिलिंग अपने आप ठीक से टाइप कर पाओगे. तो sometimes the form is better on a laptop or a
Okay, thank you, Didi.
Most welcome. Aditya asked me a question. If someone does not fill the form, then what will happen? What will happen is very simple. You won't be in their system for college. They will not consider you to give you admission. And even if you go to a college in person, आप खुद जाओगे, आप ये form के बिना, ये information के बिना, ये registration number details के बिना, आपको admission नहीं मिल पाएगा. It is very important for all of you, each and every one of you, except the Didis and Bhaiyas on the call, obviously. Anybody who is applying for FYJC, for college, you have to fill this form. The mock form and then any other form that will come up. Okay? Yes? Does that clear your doubt, Aditya? Great. Any other questions from anybody else?
No.
No? No. Yes, great. No other questions?
You send the link only.
Yes, I will send the link. Don't worry.
Didi, after
Yes. Yes.
After clicking registration, we will get the login ID and the login ID, right?
Yes. 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 You will
And
get
then with that login ID and password, we can
log into the account again. Yes. You can
Okay,
log into
thank
the website again. Yes. But now this 24th one may be a mock. Maybe this might not work. Maybe they will make you do it again on the 26th. So if you've done it in today and tomorrow, don't think I don't need to do it on the 26th. सब हो गया है. अगर same form भी भरना है, आप वापस 26th को भरोगे. Now something very important that I need to tell each one of you is that your hall ticket number, okay, and your seat number and your information is only for one person. So if you fill the incorrect form and you click register, you will not be allowed to register with the same number again. That is why I am repeating, check and check again. Do not press back while filling the form, because once you have this hall ticket number, this seat number is issued and registered into the system, वापस उसको use नहीं कर पाओगे. ठीक है? Bless you, Swara.
Hello.
Yes. 1 minute. I will answer your question. Give me 1 minute. Suvojit, please mute. Give me 1 minute. I'll answer your question. Okay. Another thing. आपकी जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी आपको पूछे ना कि आपका सिक्योरिटी क्वेश्चन क्या है, आपका लॉगिन आईडी क्या है, आपका पासवर्ड क्या है, मैं तुम्हारा कर देती हूँ, मैं तुम्हारा भी कर देता हूँ, मेरा कर रहा हूँ. Please do not share this information. Please, your future is in your hands. You give this information out, and I'm not saying your best friend will do something to your account, but if something goes wrong, then your future, your college is at stake. Okay? So you have to be very, very, very careful about this. That's what I'm saying. Don't send it on a message. Don't do anything. Just write it down in a book. Keep that paper. Make 2-3 copies of that paper. Give it to mama, give it to papa, and say, listen, you keep this paper safely for me. Okay? Do not give this information out. I'll tell you, simple things can happen. Confusion can happen. They can put your login ID and their password, and then it will block both your accounts. And both of you will not be able to access. Now, another thing that will come up later. Yes, it's very funny, but I know things like this happen. That is why I'm saying. Another thing that can happen as we go, they will ask you for something. They may ask you that you will see some PDF, some document saying this payment needs to be made, that payment needs to be made. Do not make any payment without confirming it. Okay? Do not go crazy. Do not tell your parents. Do not drive your parents crazy. कि payment करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. Don't do any such thing. As we did this session, we'll do one more session. I will explain it then. When that information comes. उसके पहले ऐसे और कुछ नहीं करना है. Suvojit, you had another question?
हेलो दीदी.
हाँ जी.
आपने बोला जैसे कि हॉल टिकट देख देख के सब भरना है, तो फुल नेम लिखना है ना, फादर के नेम के साथ जो जैसे
आपके हॉल टिकट पे लिखा होगा नेम और फिर पूरा नाम लिखा होगा आपका.
हाँ,
वो पूरा लिखना है.
हाँ ठीक है.
पूरा.
हाँ, थैंक यू.
When you were in the 10th, yes, I did have to do a payment, but I had to do it differently because that was the first year. It was a long time ago. Can I leave this meeting? I have another meeting to join. Sure, Sanya. Unless you have any questions, you are sure to. You can leave. No problem. Thank you for coming. Sanchit. Yes. Sanchit, you had a question?
Didi, we have to write our name in the same format as we have on our hall ticket.
Aapka hall ticket, however your hall ticket has printed and come to you na, however it has printed and
yes,
come to you, same way you have to write. Same way. Okay.
क्या दीदी कैपिटल में तो कैपिटल में लिखना है
Yes,
सब?
I think Sumit asked me this question on the chat also. If on your hall ticket it is all capital, you will write all capital. If
Yeah.
it is only in one letter capital and everything small, you will write like that. Okay?
Yeah.
जैसे लिखा है कैपिटल फॉर्मेट, पहले कौन सा नाम है, फिर कौन सा नाम है, फिर किसका नाम है, सेम फॉर्मेट. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes? Any other questions, guys? Any other
No.
questions?
Thanks a lot, Didi.
No? You are most welcome. If you still have any doubts, you can ask me on the group. As we do more of this, I promise we will have another session for this. Oh, there's one more picture. Okay. So, this is all the best for this procedure. It will be very easy. Just follow the instructions and do not stress. Yes, Baba, I will send the link on the group. I promise I'm sending the link on the group. You will have access to it. I will send it immediately. As soon as we end the call, I will send the link on the group. Okay? Yes, Payal. I will send it now. Now. Okay? Don't worry. Okay? All good, guys? Everybody's fine? Thank you so much for joining. We are here for you. Do not stress. Most welcome, Ayush. Vaishnavi, did you understand? सब समझ में आया आपको?
Yes, Didi.
Yes. अब अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा तो मुझे फोन करना. ठीक है?
Okay.
Okay. Great. Thank you so much. I'm ending the meeting. I will see you soon. And one session we will do promise about everybody's favorite game. Okay? Everybody's. Promise. Okay. Bye, guys. Thank you. Have a great day. See you on Friday. Okay? On Friday. You'll see your Didi Bhaias tomorrow and we'll see the rest of you on Friday at 11 o'clock. It's going to be a very special session. Thank you so much. Good luck.
Bye.
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 Bye.